Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to group elements in Canva. Let's say you've made a design and you want to group the elements in the design. So what do? Before you press on one of the designs, one of the elements in it, and you click on select multiple. So select the second one you want to group with it, and then you see the option for group here, so you click on group. It's as simple as that. If you want to ungroup, you just simply do the same thing. Click on it and click on ungroup, group and ungroup. It's as simple as that. Now let's say if you're using your phone, if that doesn't work out, it means there's something wrong. So what you do is that you check for updates. Make sure you have the latest version of your Canva app installed. Updates also include bug fixes and improvements. Then after doing updates needs, you restart the app. Sometimes a simple restart can even resolve minor glitches, and then you can, if the issue persists, you can reach out to Canva support team for assistance. I hope you found this video helpful on how to group elements and ungroup them in Canva. Thanks for watching.